It seems that the United States only thinks about addressing its own concerns, getting the results it wants, and advancing its own interests. Do bad things and get good results. How's that even possible? Said Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Xie Feng, urging the United States to change its highly misguided mindset and dangerous policy. Xie made the remarks on Monday during talks with U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Wendy Sherman, who's on a visit to North China's port city of Tianjin from July 25th to 26th. In terms of the United States' competitive, collaborative, and adversarial rhetoric, Xie said, this is a thinly veiled attempt to contain and suppress China. The Chinese people feel that the real emphasis is on the adversarial aspect. The collaborative aspect is just expediency, and the competitive aspect is a narrative trap, he said. The U.S. policy seems to be demanding cooperation when it wants something from China, decoupling, cutting off supplies, blockading or sanctioning China when it believes it has an advantage, and resorting to conflict and confrontation at all costs, he added. What the world needs most is solidarity and cooperation, for humanity are passengers in the same boat, according to Xie. China wants to work with the United States to seek common ground while shelving the differences, he said. The U.S. side needs to change course and work with China on the basis of mutual respect and embrace fair competition and peaceful coexistence with China.